In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Etsy shop to Shopify. Remember, this will streamline your operations and save you both time and resources. To set off, we need to install the necessary app to bridge the two platforms. The first place we shall go is your Shopify admin. Here, you'll notice an Apps section. Dive into it and start a quick search. The app you're looking for might be known as Etsy Marketplace Integration. Once you find it, the next thing you want to do is install it. This process will typically be straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete it. After installing the necessary app, we are on to our second main step, granting permissions and connecting your Etsy account. Fire up the app in your Shopify. Inside, you will encounter a series of prompts. Our goal here is to grant permissions for the app to access your store's data. It's a necessary step for the integration to occur correctly. Then, you will be given a prompt to enter your Etsy shop's name. Once you have typed it in, look for the Connect click and hit it with no hesitation. Following this, prepare to be redirected. You are heading straight for your Etsy account to log in. When you're in, the last part of this phase is to authorize the app to have access to your store. This action grants the app permission to bridge the operations between your Shopify and Etsy shops. Our third step enters the picture once you have successfully connected the app to your Etsy shop. Here, the focus shifts to configuring sync settings. The built-in guide of the app will take you through a setup process. In this process, you can make specific decisions on how you want products and orders to synergize between the two platforms. For instance, you may have to choose which platform will serve as the source of truth for inventory. If you've followed this process to the latter, congratulations are in order. You have successfully connected your Etsy shop to Shopify. By doing so, you have simplified your business operations across these platforms. You'll notice enhanced efficiency, which is a plus for your growing business.